This video could save your life. A fire in your home can be devastating, even fatal, and it can take just seconds for a fire to take hold. Most home fires are preventable. So here are 4 simple steps you can take to reduce your risk. 1. Have mains-powered smoke alarms installed by a licensed electrician. Keep them clean and test them regularly. 2. Never leave heat sources such as candles, fireplaces, or stoves unattended. Be especially careful when cooking, as it's easy to get distracted. 3. Prepare an escape plan and make sure everyone knows what to do. Have 2 exits out of each room. And 4. If a fire does start in your home, leave immediately and call 000. And never, under any circumstances, re-enter a burning house. Remember, home fires are preventable, and these simple steps could save your life. 1. Have mains-powered smoke alarms installed by a licensed electrician. 2. Never leave heat sources unattended. 3. Know your escape plan. And 4. If a fire starts, get out and call 000. For more tips to help you and your loved ones stay safe, visit the DFES website or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.